We generally believe that investing is a very difficult job. Finding a good company is a tough work, but it is not so tough, it is not so difficult. If you're a good observer and if you're able to analyze, observe your day-to-day activities in a very effective way, then you become a good investor. You are able to beat the market. You are able to beat the mutual fund manager. I'm going to tell you a secret through which you can beat the market. You can make a decent wealth from stock market. Here is a secret. You know, investing is all about selecting good companies. Then you make investment in that companies. You buy the share of that company after selecting good company. That is the point. Then how to find a good company? And there are a lot of definition of a good company. अच्छी कंपनी के definitions बहुत सारे हैं. And the one fundamental definition of a good company is that the company which product you like most. कंपनी जिसके कस्टमर को उनका प्रोडक्ट अच्छा लग रहा है या फिर आप उसके कस्टमर हो, वो अच्छा कंपनी है मेरे लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, and if I will able to make that investment in that company, then of course, if the company is going to survive, if the company is able to grow, then I will able to make the return from that company, that stock, simply. For example, I use this Axo, this soap, for washing the utensils. बर्तन धोने के लिए इसका हम यूज़ करते हैं. And I know there is a company which make this product because that's why this product is available. And the company name is Jyoti Labs Limited. It is really a good company. I can got the idea of this company name by observing my daily life. I am not going to watch the newspaper. I am not going to watch so many sources to get the idea. It is so simple. Observe your life and find the idea. Take a different example. Now the winter is going to come. And we use the winter clothes, so we have to use a special detergent to wash that cloth. Here is a different one, easy, just like investing. And there is a one company which makes this product easy. Even and you cannot, even the whole class is using the same soap, even the whole city is using the same detergent, easy. And the company name is Godrej Consumer Product Limited. Buy the company share and make the return simple. Because why we make it complicated? It is so simple. Take a different example. Here is the battery, Eveready. I'm not able to show the name. Eveready. And we all use the watch, clock in our offices, in our school, in our homes. And we cannot leave a second, a day or hour without a watch in our rooms, in our houses. And there is every watch requires a battery to run. And here is its power. Why not you buy this share? If the company is going to survive, of course, this company is able to make the wealth for you. Just buy the company share. It is so simple. I hope you enjoy this content. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.